Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Now people will be wondering, why is it that this couple are not fighting? They will not tell them to receive it. What will they say? You just hear, one love. Bring it down. Just stop it. All these songs that you listen to, shake Omomonami or not? Does it make sense or not? What are you playing for your children today? My name is Okolova. I don't just translate, I make. What are you playing for your children today? That was why one other one had to decide that you need 50 million. He did like this. Which one is that? I thought that was all over. The answer they should be running on one spot. I thought that is the best. This one, no matter who you are in the world, no matter how serious you can be in life, once you dance it, please, if you are happy to be here this wonderful evening, please put your hands together for yourself. Thank you all for coming out. Thank you all for supporting Moliaga, Dele, and Winnie. There's no dog that is as popular as Winnie in the entire Africa now. Please put your hands together for Winnie. That's to let you know that there's nothing you lay your hands upon. If you believe in it, it's going to be bigger than what you think it is. Meaning, in Kokotebario, don't wait till you have millions. Just start small. My name is Omobaba number one. I'm not just a comedian. I make sense. You see, people are funny, but let's be funny with being reasonable. But very soon, our children will be asking us questions. Daddy, when you say Nigeria is bad, if you are always holding the microphone, why not correct the bad things? Let us start from now. Our parents have taught us songs that made us who we are today. We have listened to them, but you did not know. Please play on any key. I will look for the padlock. If you got it before, I want you. Just good. Oh, Michelle, back up singer that God is leading. Or if you are doing yourself. Oh, Michelle, those songs we sang them and we can dance to it and there's sense in it. He animal shemule, but you are funny. Baba animal shemule, but you are funny. While that is going on, you will hear another good song that will make you read your book. But I never go down. But I never go down. tó olùkọ́ kọ́ wọn. Olùkọ́ àìníkọ́gbà òwe wọ́n sì wọ́n ṣe èdè ká wọ́n jẹ́ wọ́n lòkò. Iye yẹn tààràtà ní ṣèṣù iṣẹ́ ìyẹn kì í ṣe tí wọ́n kí ló ń ṣe eré bí ìdílé eré ṣáàṣì tí wọ́n ìyẹn bọ́lá àti ṣàwámà kò gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá wọ́n jẹ́ There's a lesson at the end of the song. What will happen to you at the end of the day? When life is getting better for us, our parents taught us about time. That time is important. That whatever you lay your hands upon, you should time yourself in life. So they make sure that we should know the essence of time. They say, time now money, oh no, time now money, oh no, time now money, oh no, time now money. Use your time well. Oh, waka waka, oh no, talkie, a little bit of holy song. Use your time well. Do better thing. Money no dey down from heaven. Do better thing, money go come. Na true word I dey tell you so. Àwọn bàbá tó kò sílé. Ọlọ́run smile. Might be 50 million. How? Do better thing, money will come. Now, after that, you think there's nothing more. They now taught us courage in their song. Cheetah boy. Cheetah boy. If you see my real
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.